Hi Jokers, thanks for watching this episode of Jokers Physiotherapy. Today I continue on with answering the questions, and today I want to answer from @Greg K. Abel. Oh, okay. Maybe this is a famous guy who could be the next CEO of Berkshire Hathaway in the US. Who knows? This came in 2 days ago. About a month ago, I started experiencing pain in my lower right jaw, and it would radiate to my neck and ear. I'm sorry to hear that, but this is what I hear from the clients here very often. Sometimes the temple area. I got to the dentist and he told me that I had bruxism and possibly TMJ. Yes, we all have TMJ. They stand for temporomandibular joint. So often people say TMJ, but I think what it means, and when you talk to a healthcare professional, you say TMD, temporomandibular disorder or dysfunction, not joint, J. It's dysfunction. Maybe 2 weeks after that, I started experiencing chest pain, constant belching, some shortness of breath and pain in my upper abdomen, especially when I go to bed and first wake up. I am currently taking Prilosec, which is I think that is omeprazole, which is a heartburn medication. Other name is Losec. Among others. It depends on who produces this medication, right? And it is basically I think this is a PPI, the proton pumping inhibitor. And proton pumping inhibitor is basically proton pumping inhibitor, meaning your stomach acid gets inhibited by this particular medication. So your acidity in your gut is well managed. And what's that got to do with the jaw? I'll tell you now. So when you have and this person later on says that my jaw pain is going away, but my heartburn and GERD symptoms are lingering. I am 1 week into Prilosec. I'm hoping it goes away. Yeah, it might go away, but you got to find out why you're getting the reflux, heartburn. Because the reflux, or what we call a gastroesophageal reflux syndrome, has very strong link to clenching behavior through the nerve called the vagus nerve. Did you know your vagus nerve connects your brain and the trigeminal nerve through the brain stem, and also your gut, the heart, as in your heart, the pumping heart, the gut, stomach, intestines, anus, all of those areas. So sometimes you get problem in your gut, you get diarrhea, therefore it's all connected. Vagus in Latin means wandering. So so if you have high acidity in your gut, that high acidity goes up your food pipe called the esophagus to your mouth, and that high acidity, or even the vapor version of stomach acid in your gut, stomach, can cause you to clench more. It's a chemical reaction sensed by vagus nerve, and therefore it really connects between your gut and your clenching behavior. So that is something to try and resolve. You've got to get to why you're getting high acidity in your gut in the first place. Taking the Prilosec will help alleviate your symptom because it'll neutralize your stomach acid, but it still doesn't solve why you have more acid in your gut. Are you skipping meals? Are you under a lot of pressure, stressed? All those things. You need to basically resolve why you're getting the high acidity in the first place. Is it some infection in your gut? Sometimes it's to do with the Helicobacter pylori, which is linked to long-term stomach issues like stomach cancer and things like that. And the people or professors who found that link have been given a Nobel Prize for medicine. They are from Perth, Australia, 2 professors. But anyway, those are very strong links, like Helicobacter pylori. So you got to get to the doctor, get them to sort this out, why you're getting high stomach acid. Is it your diet? Do you have a lot of oily food, fried food, meat in your diet that could predispose you to high acidity in your gut? And if you're not controlling the acidity or having a regular meal intervals, that could also affect. And if that's causing the clenching, you can wear the splint, but it's not going to stop your stomach acid from being there. So you keep clenching, and consequently you could hurt your jaw more, or second episode, or you could hurt your teeth, crack your teeth. All of these things can be a problem. So thank you for watching, and thank you for Greg K. Abel 8444. Question came in for 2 days ago for this question, and thank you for sharing your story. And here's the answer that I have. I hope this video helps you and also people who are watching this. And if you like this video, please give us a thumbs up or leave us some comments and let me know what you think. And please subscribe for future videos, or please let your questions come in, and we can answer as we go along. Okay. Thank you for watching, and happy rehab. Cheers.